Hello, everyone. We are Team Vayu, and we are presenting to your project, which is a customizable smart air cooler controller. Um, my teammate is Avijit Das, and I am Deblina Chattopadhyay. And now we'll further begin with our project. So Vayu is a customizable smart air cooler controller with IoT integration that lets the manufacturers get room for their production of the coolers from building the control unit. In the upcoming days, it is expected that most of our electronic devices will be connected, thus leading to sustainability of this unit. Hence, a low power and economic hardware solution approach towards certain sustainability issues is proposed by us. This is the block diagram of the system, and we will further elaborate about the workings in the flowchart, which my teammate will do.
So in the flow diagram, here we can see that it first initializes the sensors, that is the temperature and the humidity sensor. And along with that, it next it looks for the input commands, such as somebody, whenever it gets started, it looks for the input uh, from the app or from Alexa, which will be integrating in it. And then if it looks for a change in set point, like if there is a change in temperature, let's say I have said that set the temperature to 30 degrees or I mean 20 degrees or something like that. So it will look for that change in set point. And if there is a change in set point, then it will calculate the PI values, the proportional and integral values for the controller system. Like we have chosen our controller to be a PI type controller. And further, since we are our motive is to make it like very low power, so it will be in a sleep mode. So since it will be in sleep mode, at that moment only it will calculate the next 100 iterations of the PI values, whatever the value will be needed to drive the motor and the compressor motor, that part. So it will approximate that 100, and since we can do this, since the temperature is a sluggish type variable, so we are able to do that. Next, it will actuate it will drive the motor using a phase angle control. Like since it's a three phase or single phase AC motor, so we are using triax to incorporate that. And next, it will after driving that motor, it will enter deep sleep mode to minimize the power consumption, and after every 10 seconds it will be waking up from the deep sleep, and it will again go for calculating the same PI values. If the set point is reached, uh, then it will stop calculating that and enter the deep sleep mode. Again, it will wake up every 10 seconds and checks like if there is a drop in or increase in temperature in the room. It will again calculate the PI values, and it will again turn the uh, phase angle control in order to um, run the motor. And that's the basic agenda of the control scheme of our project. So next, here is the schematics. Uh, at the above, you can see like it's the power section unit, like we are that is used to power every parts of our the microcontroller. Along with that, there are triacs which will be used to drive there are three triacs. We have used placed three triacs in parallel in order to maximize the current draw. And along with that, on the left side, there is a control unit, which is a ESP12F chip, a Wi-Fi chip that controls the motor. I mean, all the calculation and the PI calculations are all done there, and it also receives Wi-Fi signals. So yeah, next. Here is a 3D model of our PCB. It looks like on the right side, as you can see, there is the Wi-Fi chip ESP8266, and on the left side of it, there is the humidity sensor and the temperature sensor. And on the left side, whole on the left side, there is this power conversion part. We are targeting for a very low power consumption type, so there is a lot of components, but they consume around like 4 to 5 milliamps as a simulation. We have checked it. And right there are three triacs right below on the right hand side. Here is the three triacs in order to control the motor. The left upper side, there is the line in. There is this screw terminal for the line in, and on the right hand side, right bottom, there is this AC line in for the motor, and you will be connecting the line out for the motor also. Again,
Thank you for watching. We hope you liked our project.
thank you.